Would you like to add realistic 3D fur texture to your letters? My name is Monika Zagrobelna, and in this Envato Tuts Plus tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fluffy text effect in Photoshop. And if you're interested in text effects, the subscription on Envato Elements gives you access to hundreds of professional, ready-to-use styles, as well as millions of other creative assets. You'll find the link in the description. Let's move on to the tutorial now. Download the assets, install the font, and open the background image in Photoshop. To install the patterns and brushes, drag them into the Photoshop window. Pick the Type tool and write Fur. Use the font you've just installed in these settings. Press Ctrl A, take the Move tool and center the text. Open the Actions panel. Create a new set and a new action. From this point on, everything you do will be recorded, so keep an eye on the Actions panel. If you make a mistake, click the Stop Playing icon and delete the unnecessary step from the action. Then click the Begin Recording icon to continue. Double-click the name of the layer and change it to Base Text 1. Pick the Brush tool. Select the Fur brush and make sure your settings look exactly like mine. Now let's create a new layer. Select the layer Base Text 1 again, right-click it, and select Create Work Path. Now select the layer Fur 1, open the Paths panel, right-click the Work Path, and select Stroke Path. Select the brush in the drop-down menu, uncheck the Simulate Pressure option, and click OK. After that, delete the work path from the Paths panel. Go back to the Layers panel. Now merge both layers by selecting them both and pressing Ctrl E. Now we're going to add a layer style. Double-click the layer Fur 1 to apply the following style. Add a bevel and emboss with these settings. Add a contour to the bevel and emboss with these settings. Add an inner glow with these settings. Add a color overlay with these settings. Add a pattern overlay with these settings. Use the pattern from the tutorial assets. Add a drop shadow with these settings. Add another drop shadow below and use these settings. Add another drop shadow and use these settings. Now we need to convert the Fur 1 layer into a Smart Object. Right-click it and select Convert to Smart Object. Now let's make the fur whiter. Go to the Adjustments panel and click on Gradient Map. Rename the layer Gradient Map 1 to Gradient Color. Right-click the layer Gradient Color and select Create Clipping Mask. Change the gradient the following way. The action is done, and you can now stop recording. And that will be all. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the bell icon to be notified of new videos on the Envato Tuts Plus channel. This was Monika Zakoberna for Envato Tuts Plus. Thanks for watching!